historical culture facts of Jamaica are the real thing me a talking, are the real thing me a go tell you now. Me I don't joke business with you know. Are the real thing me a tell you now. I don't know skin up business. A real talk. Yeah man, and a story this. Reggae and dancehall was created in Jamaica. And that me a talk about. Jamaica is known as the land of wood and water. So me I say, Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to enter the Winter Olympics. See it? That me I tell you. Jamaica is the home of Blue Mountain coffee. That me just that me a real thing, a real talk. Then that me I say, man, I don't think me a joke, me a skin up. Jamaica is a multiracial island. Everybody, pink, yellow, green, everybody. That me talk about. Jamaica is the birthplace of Rastafarianism. And that me tell you know, Slashy eye, dreadlocks, yes. Jamaica makes some of the best white rum. So me talk about the best white rum. The way the rum so good. Sometimes you walk and you see the people when they drink the rum. And you see them all over the road. And you say, how them the people can't, how them they can't keep them king quiet. Or them a dally. You know when you're on the bike and you're dally. Some people say I'm drunk, they ain't drunk. But because the rum good, me I tell you man, me tell us a facts me I give you know. Jamaica makes some of the best rum. Remember me tell you that. The James Bond movie, the James Bond series was written in Jamaica. In a Jamaica, right? Then let me tell you man. This is what if you listen to me a facts me I tell you, you know. Jamaica, they little but they talawa. They have one big head. If you like this video, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And guess what? I'll give you more facts next time. I'm gonna tell you hey, a real thing, you know? Thanks for watching.